The CBI will now probe the assault on the Enforcement Directorate team in Bengal in January this year. Sources saying the CBI has filed an FIR on that ED assault. The Tindamool Congress has now moved the Supreme Court against the High Court order on the CBI probe. Meanwhile, properties of the aides of Shah Jahan Sheikh, the prime accused, have been taken over by the government. They've been attached. Srishti Ozark joins us at the moment. Srishti, the West Bengal government is now going to the Supreme Court. What more can you tell us at the moment? Does the CBI now take over the probe right away, or do they have to wait for instructions from the Supreme Court?
Well, Rajdeep, as we know, the Calcutta High Court had today transferred the investigation in the case related to an attack on the Enforcement Directorate officials in Sandesh Khali. The case has been transferred to the CBI, and not just that, the Calcutta High Court also directed the state government to give the custody of the main accused Sheikh Shah Jahan also to the CBI. Now, this was an order that came in today morning, and hours later, the West Bengal government approached the Supreme Court, mentioned the matter, seeking an urgent listing, obviously for an obvious reason that the Calcutta High Court had clearly stated that its order needs to be implemented by 4:30 p.m. Today itself, and the CBI needs to take over the case by 4:30 today itself. So, considering the direction, the West Bengal government moved the Supreme Court today, mentioned the matter, tried to also seek an urgent listing. However, the Supreme Court did not grant any relief as of today. The court clearly asked the state to approach the Registrar General, make a request for urgent listing, and then see whether or not the matter is listed. So, sources close to the state's legal team have told us that since the matter was not listed today, despite them mentioning it before the registry, they will be mentioning the case again tomorrow before the top court and try to make sure that the matter is heard tomorrow.
Right.
As of now, the CBI, what we know is that the CBI has already taken over the case. They have done that in pursuance of the High Court's order, because the High Court clearly directed them to do so, and the Supreme Court as of now has not admitted the matter. The matter is now not yet being heard.
Technically now Shah Jahan Sheikh's case is under CBI supervision, pending of course what the Supreme Court decides at the moment. But as of now, the CBI takes over that case. Srishti Ozark for joining me. Thank you very much. Now,